Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the watch is powered and the module is responsive. If the display is dead, swap the battery first. Once powered, remove the strap or at least push out spring bars so you can access the crown without obstruction. Use a soft cloth to protect the case and a steady light source. Now gently pull the crown to the first detent to stop seconds or to the time-setting position so you can begin precise adjustments. You pull the crown to the time-setting detent and observe whether the date changes to establish AM versus PM. This prevents a 12-hour error when the date flips. Then rotate the crown in controlled increments, aligning hour and minute hands exactly. Lower the seconds to 0 by briefly stopping the movement, if available, to synchronize. Once the hands are set, advance past midnight to confirm the date rolls correctly. If it misaligns, backtrack and reset the hour until the date shifts at 12:00. You finish by pushing the crown fully back in to re-engage the movement, then reattach the strap and observe the watch for at least 24 to 48 hours to confirm accuracy. If you notice consistent gains or losses, log the rate in seconds per day and decide whether simple regulation is possible or if professional servicing is required. If the crown is hard to move or the date won't change, try cleaning the stem area gently. If problems persist, make sure to consult a watchmaker to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.